Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tipcoin. Now the Tipcoin just got a couple brand new central exchange listings. They just joined in July 2023 on Twitter, and they already have 157,000 Twitter followers. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this project. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into the Tipcoin here. So Tipcoin, it says a journey, 12 days, 140,000 plus followers, and now it's more than that. It said 157,000, and 100,000 plus users. It says we launched on Friday, September 1st at 8 a.m., and it's been quite an experience so far. A heartfelt thank you to our new community of fans and creators who have rallied behind our social experiment to make Tipcoin a success. Our thesis proved itself correct as we leveraged the power of X, aka Twitter, for our initial marketing push. The virality quickly grew our platform to over 100,000 Tip users and 140,000 X followers in just 1 week. Again, we couldn't have done it without the community. Through our journey thus far, we've met creators from all over the globe. We have heard from hundreds of users that our platform has allowed them to receive engagement on their content, even outside of the X platform, and engagement that they have never seen before. Now we begin the second portion of our mission, a standalone platform that leverages our presence and social media to create a global community of friends and creators. So the tokenomics, it says it was a fair launch. Too often, exciting products and launches are ruined by insider pre-sales and unfair tokenomics. As a coin, for the creators and communities, we feel a distinct duty to reward our most loyal followers and creators with a fair launch. With so many users, we have the unique opportunity to create an extremely diverse and equitable distribution directly from launch. So basically, it says here that 5% of the tokens go to marketing, 5% are locked team tokens, 3% are platform rewards, 1% is epoch number 1, 15% goes to liquidity, 20% epoch number 2, and 5% is epoch number 3. This coin is on the Ethereum blockchain. It says, we decided on tokenomics. We had a few goals in mind. We needed to balance rewarding early users with a successful launch of our product and platform, along with extended emissions. To encourage use of our soon-to-be released platform, we reserved 35% of tokens for users. We added a significant portion of the supply to liquidity to assist with launch, as well as epoch rewards, which slowly inject new tokens into the ecosystem. The Tip token will be our utility token that powers the platform, and for this reason, there has been no pre-sale or no sale or pre-sale of tokens, and tokens can be earned for free simply by using our products. So how it works, the technicals here, it says, we wanted to take a minute to discuss the work of our lead dev and founder Swapo. who put into our ecosystem. Without going too far into details, we didn't build this project as a one-off. We built it as a SocialFi platform. What's the distinction? Well, reliability and scalability. As discussed, our marketing push went quite viral quite quickly. With this came some scaling issues seen in Epoch 1 because it surpassed our load expectations. And then it says brackets, thank you. Epoch 2 brought with it a new system capable of handling 360,000 tweets in 1 hour. We processed millions of incoming tweets and updated them in real time on our dashboard. This volume is hard to understate. The fact that no one has been able to replicate our system is a testament of the complexity required. It says, a note on legitimate users. Many people have noticed and pointed out that there are users with seemingly botted activity on the leaderboards. We understand. Rather than pulling every user immediately after noticing this activity, we opted instead to flag them internally. This allows our system to get a more comprehensive idea of what bot activity looks like to prevent it in the near future. When it comes time for them to claim, botted accounts will lose significant percentages of their points. And where do these points go? Back to you, the genuine supporters. Any points received that are not claimed by the end of the following epoch will be burned. So their vision, the next steps, it says, SocialFi is the new leader of crypto adoption. We believe in the vision and thesis behind it. Ultimately, the champions of this arena will be chosen based on their ability to charter into unknown waters and create the future. There is no defined path, and creating a universally adopted product requires a rare blend of technical talent and vision. So the conclusions are on here. It says, stay loyal, Tip family. Stay tuned for more updates, what's going on. So basically that's what's been going on with this project. Now, if you go over to their webpage, thetipcoin.io, you're going to find information over there. I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find that. That's going to have lots of updates on it, like brand new central exchange listings. Now, they did just get a few central exchange listings. So on their Twitter, they just announced that I think it was Poloniex was one of them. So they just got listed on Poloniex recently. And then the newest one, they just got listed on Bitrue. So it says Bitrue listing coming soon. So you'll be able to get this token off of Bitrue. If you don't have a Bitrue account, I do have a Bitrue referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So if you want to get involved with the SocialFi interaction, all that type of stuff, just go to the tipcoin.io, their webpage, and that's linked on their Twitter in the corner of the screen there. It says reward friends and your favorite creators without leaving the comfort of Twitter. And then it goes, how does it work? And it goes step by step about, reply, quote, and tweet out the mentioning hashtag tip or $tip, and you'll be automatically rewarded with points. And it goes through the whole process of how it all works. The claiming, the starting, earning points, connecting your account, yada, yada, yada. Check it all out, the tipcoin.io. Check out that Bitrue referral code down there in the description box where this coin is being listed. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Tipcoin? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.